Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
We do. Why I say that is because we have only one scanner in the port that takes about 3,000 containers into the country. We scan less than 10% of them as they come in. God knows what in those containers are. Children have been trafficked. Illicit goods are moving into those containers. We only have one scanner that sees what's inside when that truck travels on that road, on that entry.
Do you think that that is intentional?
Executive must help us. If portfolio committee and everyone else that helps us to say, how are we prioritizing? What is your plan to deal with drugs? What about this? What about that? And where do you allocate your budget? Then we could be talking now. Instead of when we are saying, why are you buying that property? Why are you using the finance to go and invest in that event? Why don't you buy this resource? You have a truck picking up goods here in Cape Town. It travels from Cape Town with a container until it reaches City Deep in Johannesburg. It passes 10 roadblocks on the road because there's a lock on the back of that container. It doesn't get searched. Nobody opens it. It leaves Cape Town 1,500 kilometers to Johannesburg without being searched. And we don't have means to do it. And we need budget. It doesn't cost a lot of money to buy these scanners, but there's no will to buy them. And nobody pays attention. You talk. Only now that the management of the police is starting a process of procuring it. But we've been talking about this thing for donkey years. It's only now we were starting to do that. When ATDF back in the days would block the freeway, we're going back at the private sector to help us with a breakdown to remove the trucks on the road. We still do today because government doesn't have tow trucks to remove a truck on the road. That's how bad things we have. And you cannot say there's no budget for it. It's us who prioritize it wrong. And when we have to account, those are supposed to hold us account, I think with respect, majority of them don't necessarily know the business we do. That are sitting as parliamentarians that must hold us accountable. If you don't understand the business of the department that you are managing, you take Mkwanazi, you say he must be a member of parliament and he must hold a department of minerals and energy accountable. I got no clue what it takes to start a mine. So I want to hold people accountable about the safety and everything in the mine because I have no clue. So bring a member of parliament to be a member of the committee, portfolio committee of police, and he does not know anything about the police. So you won't hold the police accountable because he will ask the wrong questions, not the right questions. And then we get away with, and we look as if we are doing something and yet we're not doing anything.
Isikhathi ethule ubufakazi bakhe Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uveze indaba yokuthi kunesikena esisodwa eskena yonke impahla esuka kwamanye amazwe eza la ikakhulukazi engena ngeport le ihaba lese Durban. Ngiyacabanga nokuphuma kunjalo ngathi kodwa nje uthe kunesikena esisodwa and ucide kuveza ukuthi kuskenwa 10% kuyonke lento engenayo. Ilapho kuvuleka khona imbobo yokuthi kungena ama drugs nazo zonke izinto ezingalungile njengoba ethi even ne-human trafficking yenzeka lapho ngoba phela uma kuskenwa 10% sisodwa iscan ngenxa yokuthi kuphuma inqwaba yama-container kungena inqwaba yama-container kugcina sekwenziwa nje ngokusheshisa. Ngiyayicabanga lento ngiyayipicture ngoba angikaze ngafika lapha emtateni noma kwihaba ngibona ukuthi basebenza kanjani kodwa nje khona njengomuntu okwasebenza we-housing ngiyazi ukuthi makufika isitoko funeka siskenwe sonke sireceive sicheckwe. So lokho nje kuthatha isikhathi sisincane. Imagine container nga-1 iphethe ini kanjani. So ila okuvuleka khona imbobo yokuthi kungena ama-drugs. Ngenza le video ngikhuluma ngalolu daba ngoba kunama-drugs atholakele kuyo yona le haba yaseThekwini. Kuyona le haba yaseThekwini sizofunda i-article yakhona. The South African Revenue Services, SARS, Durban Customs Office seized suspected narcotics worth 65 million rand during an early Sunday operation at Durban Harbour. The 30 bricks of drugs were discovered hidden inside the reefer refrigerator unit of vessel intercepted by Customs Marine Unit near Fairway Buoy. At approximately 2:45 a.m. or 2:45, the South African Revenue Services Enforcement Team launched a marine patrol vessel to intercept the motor vessels about 4 kilometers off the east coast of Durban. The vessel was escorted to its berth, where customs officials boarded and interviewed the master while examining documentation to trace the flagged container. Following a detailed inspection, officers located a refrigerated container and uncovered 30 bricks of suspected narcotics. Concealed inside the seized drugs were handed over to the South African Police Services Directorate for Priority Crimes Investigations, DPCI, for further investigation and prosecution. SARS Commissioner Edward commended the customs and law enforcement team for their dedication, saying their efforts reflect SARS' firm commitment to protecting South Africa's border and preventing harmful substances from entering the country. Nama-drugs ke lawa tuwabona kwi-screen sakho abanjiwe lapha awetha 65 million rand. 65 million rand. Yo, akuyona imali encane ke le, imali eningi ngempela, imali eningi. Siyabonga kodwa ke kulamaphoyisa alapha asebenzile. Umsebenzi wabo ufanele siwuncome. Ukama-drugs angaka lawa azobulala izwe, lawa azobulala intsha yase South Africa. Ngoba phela abantu abangama-customer nabathenga lama-drugs ilaba aba-youth yala eSouth Africa. Kufanele kusuka manje baguqule indlela yokwenza. Kuthi le ndlela bebesebenza ngayo ngaphambilini bayishintshe. Njengoba eshilo Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthi kunescan esisodwa kufuneka bayilungise le nto leyo. Akukwazi ukuthi iDurban ethola ama-container amaningi kangaka ngosuku lulunye kuthiwa inescan esisodwa. Ingakho kuzongena lezi zinto. Esengikufisa ke manje ukuthi sengathi kungangenzeka lokho esake sakubona kuma-report ukuthi kuthiwa ama-drugs alahleke ofisini lama-Hawks. Yenye into nje leyo uthi uma uyifunda ikuphazamise ngoba uyazibuza ukuthi manje lahleka kanjani ofisini lama-Hawks. Ngoba phela ila fanele ngabe azo-investigatewa khona kutholakala abantu bese kuthiwa i-container yonke lahlekile. Sifisa isimo esinjalo singenzeki. Asidlule phambili sithatha udaba engicabanga lokugcina ngoba angifuni le video ibe yinde. Kodwa nje bengizama ukukuvezela ukuthi lento ebishiwo uGeneral Mkhwanazi inalo iqiniso phakathi mayelana nehaba. Ngoba imbobo noma intuba la khona ama-drugs ekwazi ukungena kule country yethu iSouth Africa ekhululekileyo. Izolo ngikubikelile ngeCouple yangapha eNorthern Cape. Ngapha ngakoKimberley eGalishiwe. Amaphoyisa la athole khona amaphilisi nemithi leya kwadokotela eminingi, athola insango lo ibona ku screen sakho kulamaphoyisa lawo ayisethola ngisho nemali ewucash. Imali etholakele lapho u100,000 rand iwucash. Le couple ke iyovela enkantolo namuhla, njengoba namuhla kumsombuluko lomhla ka13 izovela ke enkantolo le couple. Sizozwa ukuthi inkantolo ithini, mhlambe bazobingelela ibagcine estoksini okanye izobakhipha. Sizozwa emininingane ngenkantolo, kodwa nje ngithi angikukhumbuze ngoba lolu daba lusenkantolo. Lolu daba esibike ngalo lalezi zinto ezitholakele le couple le izovela enkantolo. Inkantolo yona izothatha isinqumo ukuthi ithini ngabo namuhla. Mhlambe kungenzeka ngokujwayelekile uma kwamanye ama-case ivamise ukuthi inkantolo babingelele namuhla, mhlambe ihlehlisa ithi babuye ngomsombuluko ozayo noma ngolwesingaki sebezofaka isicelo sebail. Bese kuba yilokho asazi ke kodwa ukuthi la bazothini. Mina nawe-ke asidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho konke lo daba esikhuluma ngalo. Subscribe, share, comment, ulike. Ngiyabonga.